Model, 2017 Vauxhall Combo 2300 Sport 1.3 Cdti Ecoflex S starts drives needs turbo no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 82,194. Engine, 1248 cc 1.3 Cdti 95 PSE6. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs underpowered. Turbo needs replacing. Straightforward simple turbo replacement job no VAT absolute bargain. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, 2 keys, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074